how to make a second profile on Facebook. So if you want to go and make multiple Facebook profiles, then I'm going to show you how we can do this. So first, just open up the Facebook application, click on menu in the bottom right hand side, and then click on the drop down arrow next to your profile name. You can then scroll down this page until you see create Facebook profile and click this. Decide whether you want to create another personal account or a business account. I'm going to click personal. You'll then need to upload a profile picture, and you can also give this a name. Click on continue. Click on create profile, and as you can see, a new profile is now being created. You can then decide to add a cover photo to your profile. I'm just going to click next. You can then decide whether you want to go and invite friends to this new profile. I'm going to click on next. You can also go and join groups for this new profile. I'm just going to leave this and press next. If there's any pages or people that you want to go and follow or like, you can do that here. I'm just going to click next. And then decide whether you want to go and set up all of your different privacy settings and who can see your profile. I'm just going to click on not now. And as you can see, we've now set up a second Facebook account. And if you want to go and switch between the two accounts, you can just come back down to menu in the bottom right hand side, click back on the drop down arrow, and then just go and select the account that you want to sign into. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.